Hello YouTube friends, Alicia here with another video. This is the second journal. I kind of made a promise to myself that I wasn't going to buy a digital kit that I've been wanting to buy until I had finished 2, possibly 3 journals. So this is the second journal that I needed to finish. It is made from a gift bag. I started it almost 2 years ago and I never finished it. I had the cover done and I had some of the inside pages done. And then it just sat. So I found the perfect kit, and it was a Flamingo Digi kit, and I had printed it off, and I still hadn't finished the journal. So the journal is now complete. I will try and I don't think I can link the shop. I'm not sure how to link a shop, unless somebody sends me the link. But I will try and put the store name in my description so that if you are interested in her papers, you can go ahead and check them out. They're super reasonably priced and they're very nice. I have a number of them. So anyways, this is just a gift bag and a napkin decoupaged. And then I did some decorative stitching and I sewed on this royal blue trim, the same one I used in my last journal. This is a pocket, and there's supposed to be a tag in there. I don't know where that tag is, but anyways. Here's the paper. So all the printed paper with the flamingos is from the Digi kit. I left the backs blank. I did not print anything on any of them. I dyed my paper, some of them. And I did put cardstock in this journal, which I don't normally do. But I did in this one because the colors were right. And it is for me. It is for pictures and writing. So the cardstock will be nice for the pictures. This is a tuck spot. I got some new doily dies. The retired Stampin' Up! Doily dies I purchased. Just a tag I made. These are wood. Paper clip. This is Kool-Aid dyed paper. Or drink mix. It wasn't Kool-Aid, but it's a drink mix. This is beet dyed. This paper, flamingo paper, is so pretty. I love flamingos. Just a pocket. This is just sprayed tissue paper that I decoupaged onto tags. I sewed around the one to make a pocket. Okay, I cannot do that right now. Book pages. A huge pocket, more tags. Just a tuck spot. And I will need something to write on because I did make this one a little bit chunky, but because it's for myself, I am okay with that. Lace and a doily on the top. This is just a piece of napkin decoupaged on there. Another lace pocket. I used whatever lace I had on my desk. And I had some from the vintage parcel journal I just did a video of. Gold tape there. This is just a coin envelope. This is actually being done with the baby oil, so it's transparent. It's not like, I don't think you would be able to see anything if you put it in there, but it just changes it a little bit and it gives it a different texture. This was just packaging. I mean, it matched the color. That's the only reason I put it in there. And I didn't want to cut any of the paper, so the flamingo paper, I just folded it. Guest book paper. Love this paper. Center of the signature. And as you can see, it's sewn in with wax linen thread. I rounded all the corners of the pages because the gift bag, I had rounded those corners, so I had to do the pages inside. I might thread something through those holes yet. It says open, but I will probably glue it shut depending what I put in there. This is just another one. I did not glue this one down. I might paper clip it on, I might glue it. It depends what I put on this page. This is another doily I punched. Die cut. Some more lace. I dyed this lace. More tags. Oops. So I mean, it has flamingo paper, but it's not all flamingo. There's mostly just paper in here. It's not even heavily embellished as normal. This is, it's from flannel graph board. I just took, it had something, I think it had like Velcro on the back of it or something. I took the Velcro off. It's vintage. This is just a little envelope with the die cut. I have die cuts for this doily and for this envelope, which is also a retired, I believe it's retired Stampin' Up! Punch die. Same with this envelope and this flower. I had die cut a bunch of things playing with my new dies that I had purchased, and that's why I put them in here. Just another rainbow tag I did. I think they're really pretty. And you can write on the front and the back. Somebody gifted me these. It's the Jelly Bean Soup die. I have never been able to get my hands on it, but I did order another die similar to this, so hopefully I get that soon. The back. And then this is a wax bag, and it was much bigger, but I unfolded the bottom and took in the sides on each side to make it even, so it still has the gusset, so it can fit tons of things in it. And I'm sure I'll put my extra pictures and stuff in there that I want to put in the book, you know, if I just have pictures that I don't have time to do right away. And I just put these extra doilies in this frame in here. This is the back of the book, exactly the same as the front. And then it just ties closed with this vintage seam binding. I do this kind of closure on a lot of my journals. I like it, so that's what I do. Well, I do other closures, but that's what I do on a lot of my own journals. And then I'll just show you this quickly. So my printer kind of went crazy. It was not out of ink. It had no reason to do this, but it did. And I walked away from it. You know how that goes. So I have all these pages that are not useful. Well, they're useful, but I didn't put them in the journal. But what I'm going to do, some of them I'm going to make cards out of because I think it looks kind of cool. I'm going to use them as backgrounds on cards, and then I'm thinking shaker cards, and then I will decorate further. But some of them will be used as ephemera and envelopes in the journal. As well, when you're not paying attention, I printed off a bunch of them in black and white, which I actually really like, once again, but not in my journal. So these will probably be cards as well. And ephemera. Oops, some of them are normal, but yeah, that's what happens when you're not paying attention. You get tons and tons of prints that you didn't want. But like I said, I really like this, so I think I'll make some shaker cards out of it and possibly accent it with some gold or even color in some of the flamingos. I'm not sure. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Any questions or comments, please leave them below.